Upgrading your primary bathroom's aesthetic, master vanity mirror lighting, or hallway ambience with bright, high-end illumination without committing to a complex electrical overhaul usually means transitioning to an expansive, multi-bulb modern wall fixture. The brushed nickel 10 light bathroom vanity fixture, 64.5-inch modern wall sconce, with clear glass shades, redefines architectural home lighting by combining a grand linear silhouette, warm metallic finishes, and multi-source brilliance into a stunning statement piece. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its symmetrical 10-socket linear architecture, paired with transparent, high-clarity glass shades, instead of struggling with dim, single-point vanity bars or harsh, uneven shadows that make grooming difficult. This expansive system distributes 10 individual E26 lamp sockets evenly across a 64.5-inch brushed nickel bar, bathing your entire mirror and surrounding space in brilliant, unobstructed 360-degree illumination. Performance and everyday versatility streamline lighting design across oversized double-sink bathroom vanities, master bedrooms, and long living room accent walls, accommodating 10 standard E26 base bulbs, compatible with LEDs, incandescent, or Edison vintage styles up to your preferred wattage. The fixture lets you fully customize your color temperature and brightness level, especially when paired with a compatible dimmer switch. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a durable, moisture-resistant brushed nickel finish designed to withstand humid bathroom environments without tarnishing, alongside a versatile reversible design that allows you to mount the glass shades facing upward or downward, depending on your lighting preference and spatial clearance. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is an exceptionally large, 64.5-inch 10-light vanity fixture requiring 10 individual bulbs, you will want to measure your mirror width carefully to ensure proper proportions and budget for purchasing your preferred E26 bulb separately. Additionally, due to its substantial length and weight, secure installation requires anchoring directly into wall studs or using heavy-duty mounting brackets during setup. So who is this really for? This grand linear wall sconce is an absolute home run for homeowners with sprawling double-sink bathroom vanities, modern farmhouse or contemporary interior aesthetics, and anyone seeking maximum, shadow-free illumination for daily grooming. If you are outfitting a tiny powder room or a compact single-sink mirror where a massive 64-inch fixture would overhang the edges, a smaller 3 or 4 light vanity bar will better match your space. Is it worth the money? If you value a striking 64.5-inch linear profile, a moisture-resistant brushed nickel finish, crystal clear glass shades, and 10 customizable E26 sockets for brilliant, high-output illumination, it is a premier, elegant investment for elevating your home's interior lighting design.